Hey everyone, welcome back.
Hi there. Great to see you again.
Today we're talking about household chores.
Yes, doing chores at home,
This might not sound exciting.
but it's actually really important.
A clean home is a happy home.
And it's healthier too.
Plus, it reduces stress.
When everything is organized.
You feel more in control.
So let's dive in
We'll cover all the main chores.
and share some helpful tips.
Let's get started. First up, kitchen chores.
The kitchen gets messy fast.
Especially after cooking.
Washing dishes is the obvious one.
Do them right after eating.
Don't let them pile up.
That makes it so much harder.
I learned that the hard way.
Me too.
Rinse dishes before washing.
It makes scrubbing easier.
Use hot soapy water.
And don't forget the sponge.
Replace sponges regularly.
They get really gross.
Every 2 weeks is good.
Cleaning counters is important.
Wipe them down daily,
Use disinfectant spray.
especially near the sink.
And the stove area,
Grease builds up there.
clean your microwave weekly.
Put a bowl of water inside.
Microwave it for a few minutes.
The steam loosens the gunk.
Then just wipe it out.
So easy.
Don't forget the trash
Take it out regularly
before it overflows.
and smells bad.
Clean the trash can too.
Once a month at least.
Organize your pantry.
Check expiration days.
Throw out old food.
Group similar items together.
It saves time when cooking. Now let's talk living areas.
This is where we spend most time,
Vacuuming is essential.
at least once a week.
More if you have pets.
Or kids.
Get into the corners.
And under furniture,
Move things around sometimes.
dust collects everywhere.
Speaking of dust,
Dusting is so important.
use a microfiber cloth.
They track dust better.
Start from the top.
Work your way down,
That way dust falls.
and you catch it later.
Dust shelves and tables.
Don't forget picture frames.
And light fixtures.
Electronics too.
TV screens get dusty.
Use a special cloth for those.
Organizing clutter is key.
Put things back where they belong.
Have a place for everything.
Mail, keys, remote controls.
Use baskets or boxes.
To keep things tidy,
Clean windows monthly.
use window cleaner.
Or vinegar and water.
Wipe with newspaper.
It doesn't leave streaks.
Your windows will sparkle.
Bathroom cleaning is crucial
Bathrooms get dirty quickly.
because of moisture.
Start with the toilet.
Use toilet bowl cleaner.
Let it sit for a bit.
Then scrub with a brush.
Don't forget under the rim,
Wipe the outside too.
the seat and base.
Clean the sink daily.
Toothpaste blotters everywhere.
Use bathroom cleaner.
Or baking soda.
Scrub the faucet.
Make it shine.
The shower needs attention.
Soap scum builds up.
Use a scrubbing brush.
And shower cleaner.
Spray it on.
Let it work for a few minutes.
Then scrub and rinse.
Do this weekly.
Clean mirrors with glass cleaner.
Or that vinegar solution.
Wipe in circular motions.
No streaks,
Watch out for mold.
especially in corners.
Use bleach carefully.
Or mold remover spray.
Keep the bathroom ventilated.
Run the fan off the showers.
It prevents mold growth. Laundry is a big one.
It never ends.
First, sort your clothes.
Whites separate from colors.
Delicates need special care.
Read the labels.
They tell you how to wash.
Use the right water temperature.
Cold for colors.
Hot for whites and towels.
Don't overload the washer.
Clothes need room to move.
Use the right amount of detergent.
More isn't better.
It can leave residue.
Check pockets before washing.
I've washed tissues before.
Me too. What a mess.
Treat stains right away.
The sooner the better.
Blot. Don't rub.
Rubbing spreads the stain.
Use stain remover.
Or this up works too.
Transfer to dryer promptly.
Don't leave wet clothes sitting.
They'll smell musty.
Clean the lint trap.
Every single time.
It's a fire hazard if you don't.
Fold clothes right away.
Prevents wrinkles.
Or hang them up.
Ironing is optional.
But some things needed.
Dress shirts and pants.
Use a steamer.
It's faster than ironing.
Put clothes away immediately.
Don't leave them in baskets.
That's how they get wrinkled. Bedroom maintenance matters too.
Make your bed every morning.
It takes 2 minutes.
But makes a huge difference.
Your room looks instantly better.
And it's nice to come home to.
Change your sheets weekly.
Or every 2 weeks minimum.
Wash them in hot water.
Kills dust mites.
Fluff your pillows.
Replace them yearly.
Keep your closet organized.
Hang clothes properly.
Fold sweaters and knits.
Hanging stretches them out.
Donate clothes you don't wear.
If you haven't worn it in a year,
You probably won't.
someone else can use it.
Vacuum under the bed.
Dust bunnies love it there.
Creating a schedule helps.
You can't do everything at once.
Some chores are daily.
Like dishes and making the bed.
Some are weekly.
Vacuuming and bathroom cleaning.
Some are monthly.
Deep cleaning tasks.
Write it down.
Make a checklist.
It feels good to check things off.
Very satisfying.
If you live with others,
Devote the responsibilities.
make it fair.
Everyone should contribute,
Rotate tasks.
so no one gets stuck with the worst ones.
Set specific times.
Like Saturday mornings,
Make it a routine.
consistency is key.
Don't try to be perfect.
Just do your best.
Something is better than nothing.
Even 15 minutes helps.
Staying motivated is tough,
Chores aren't fun.
but you can make them better.
Put on music.
Upbeat songs make it faster.
I have a cleaning playlist.
That's a great idea.
Or listen to podcasts.
Makes the time fly.
Audiobooks work too.
Reward yourself after,
Watch your favorite show.
or have a treat.
You earned it.
Set a timer.
Race against it.
Makes it like a game.
I do that too.
Get the whole family involved.
Make it a team effort.
Kids can help too.
Give them 8 appropriate tasks
It teaches responsibility.
and life skills.
Let's recap everything.
Kitchen chores come first.
Dishes, counters, and trash.
Keep it clean daily.
Living areas need regular attention.
Vacuum, dust, and organize.
Bathrooms require weekly cleaning.
Toilet, sink, shower, and mirrors.
Laundry is ongoing.
Sort, wash, dry, and fold.
Bedrooms need maintenance.
Make the bed and change sheets.
Create a schedule that works.
Divide tasks fairly.
Stay consistent.
Make it a routine
Use music or podcasts.
to make it more enjoyable.
Remember, a clean home.
It's a happy home
You'll feel so much better.
when everything is tidy.
Thanks for joining us today.
Hope these tips help.
Now go tackle those chores.
You've got this.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone.